Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly believed in yourself? I don't mean that fleeting confidence you get after a good day or a kind word from someone else. I'm talking about real, unshakable belief. The kind that comes from deep inside and says, I am enough. I can do this. You see, believing in yourself isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Because the truth is, no one's going to believe in you if you don't believe in yourself first. Think about it. Every great thing you've ever accomplished started with a tiny spark of belief. The moment you said, maybe I can, maybe I will. But here's the tricky part. Belief isn't about knowing you'll succeed. It's about being okay with not knowing, about taking the leap anyway. Some of the most incredible people I've met weren't the most talented or the smartest. They were simply the ones who believed in their ability to figure things out. That's what sets you apart. The willingness to bet on yourself when no one else will. I'll be honest with you. There were times in my life when I didn't believe in myself. Times when I let fear and self-doubt stop me from chasing what I really wanted. I remember one moment clearly. I was fresh out of school, trying to pursue my dream of becoming a writer. But I thought, who am I to do this? What if I fail? So I stopped writing. I didn't even try. Do you know what I learned from that? The pain of not trying hurts far more than failing ever could. Failure teaches you something. Giving up teaches you nothing. So how do you build belief in yourself? It starts with small promises. You say, I'm going to wake up early tomorrow, and then you do it. You say, I'll finish this project, and then you finish it. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you're telling your brain, I'm reliable, I'm capable. And if you break a promise, forgive yourself and try again. It's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Belief is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Here's another thing. Stop waiting for someone else to tell you you're good enough. Because guess what? That person might never show up. You have to give yourself permission to be proud of who you are and what you're doing. The world is full of critics, but it's your voice that matters most. You have to be your own biggest fan. Cheer for yourself, even when no one else is clapping, especially then. You don't have to have it all figured out to start. In fact, you probably won't have it all figured out. That's okay. Just take the first step and then the next. With every step, your belief in yourself grows. And soon enough, you'll look back and realize you've come farther than you ever imagined. When you believe in yourself, you unlock a version of you that's unstoppable. Suddenly, failure isn't the end. It's just a stepping stone. Doubt isn't a roadblock, it's a challenge. And fear? Fear becomes a signal that you're doing something brave. Here's what I want you to take away from this. You don't need anyone else to tell you you're capable. You don't need permission to start living the life you want. All you need is the courage to say, I believe in me. If this resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs a reminder to believe in their own strength. And if you're ready to take that first step, let me know in the comments. What's one thing you're going to do today to show yourself some belief? Let's inspire each other.